Jessica.
And I'm over 15. The answer exactly because I want you to guess from YouTube, okay?
So guess
Ready?
how many sweaters Jessica's wearing.
And
then
right
guess-
now is this one. Jessica.
She's crazy. And I'm Melanie, the non-crazy one. Guess how many
Yeah. One.
I'm stuck. I can't get it.
Two.
Help.
Hold up.
We'll do her first. She's gonna help me afterwards. Do you want to help?
Oh. Three. Four. Five. Six.
Your back is so bad. No, yeah, that's her back.
7. 8. 9. 10.
Still has a few to go.
What was I on?
10.
Okay. 11.
12. She can take off the rest by herself.
13. 14. 15. I'm not going to take off the next one because I don't have anything under.
Don't do that.
Okay.
So, how many did you have?
16.
Ding, ding, ding. Okay, now help me.
Now, Melanie.
Okay, got it from here.
1.
I got this one, Jess. 2.
2. What? Why? No, it's
3.
not.
How many was that? 3?
Yeah.
4.
Jessica, oh, those clothes are clean.
Now they're clean too.
No, they're not clean.
Yes, they are.
They're on the floor.
That doesn't mean they're not clean.
5.
Ah, that's not funny. You stretch it all. Look at that.
No.
No. Come on, Jessica,
6.
pick it up.
7. Probably not as much as Jessica. 8.
Vamos, cae.
9.
Dame, Jessica, para doblarla bien. Por here.
10 and 11.
And she's done.
And now my hair's messy.
And so is mine.
Not really.
Bye.